Want to change the DPI settings on your Samsung Galaxy phone but not sure how? It's important because adjusting DPI can make icons, text, and apps look better and fit your screen the way you like. Here's how you can easily change the DPI settings on your phone. First, open up Settings, then scroll down to the bottom. After that, tap on the developer options. If you don't find the developer options here, then tap on About Phone. Next, tap on Software Information. Then tap on Build Number for 7 times. And then go back to the Settings page. Under the About Phone option, here you'll find the developer options. Now tap on it. Then scroll down a little bit. Find the minimum width option. And then tap on it. Enter a higher value to increase DPI. You'll make things appear smaller. Enter a lower value to decrease DPI. You'll make things appear larger like this. Be careful. Changing this value can cause unexpected glitches with the phone's interface. It's recommended to only make small adjustments and restart your phone after each change to see the effects. And that's how you can change the DPI settings on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for easy tech tips. Got any questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.